Now let us learn les professions, some of our occupations or professions in French. Are you ready to learn these along with me? Here I have written the names of 10 professions or occupations. Now the first one here is le fermier. Le fermier, it means farmer. Le fermier. The next word is l'ingénieur. L'ingénieur. Yes, it sounds similar to English. It is engineer. L'ingénieur. The next one is le policier. Le policier. It is a policeman. Le policier. The next one is l'infirmier. L'infirmier. It means a nurse. L'infirmier. The next one is le professeur. Le professeur. It is a teacher. Le professeur. The next one is l'homme d'affaires. L'homme d'affaires. It means a businessman. L'homme d'affaires. The next one is le médecin. It is a doctor. Le médecin. The next one is le coiffeur. Le coiffeur. It is a barber or a stylist. Le coiffeur. The next one is l'écrivain. L'écrivain. It is a writer. L'écrivain. And the last word is le chanteur. Le chanteur. It is a singer. So we have learned the names of 10 professions in French. So shall we go over it once again? The first word we learnt was le fermier. Le fermier. It means farmer. The next word is l'ingénieur. L'ingénieur. It means engineer. The next one is le policier. Le policier. It is the policeman. The next word is l'infirmier. L'infirmier. It means nurse. The next word is le professeur. Le professeur. The teacher. The next word that we learnt is l'homme d'affaires. L'homme d'affaires. It means businessman. L'homme d'affaires. The next profession was le médecin. The doctor. The next one is le coiffeur. Le coiffeur. It is the barber. The next word is l'écrivain. L'écrivain. The writer. And finally, the last one that we learnt was le chanteur. Le chanteur. The singer. Now, these are just a few of the professions that I have written here. To learn more, you can refer your dictionary. We need to improve our vocabulary because we are going to be using these words in sentences of our own.